Hey guys, how's it going? This is Who's the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog for indorecipe.com, and for today's recipe it is Indonesian style of butter chicken. Sometimes it is called Ayam Kecap. There are many ways to prepare Ayam Kecaps. Normally people would fry it first before we season it with our sweet soy sauce. Kecap means soy sauce. Kecap manis is sweet soy sauce, but this following is not fried and it is heavy on the butter, so it's buttery flavor. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye. So this is 1/4 cup of unsalted butter with 1 small onion and 3 large garlic. We're just gonna saute until fragrant. If you don't have butter, you can use margarine. Margarine already has salt. I prefer to use unsalted butter. Steam. Now add in your chicken pieces. I'm using chicken drumstick and mine is still frozen. Just rinse and drop the chicken in. You want to just stir them to coat them in the buttery, garlicky, oniony flavor. And then we're gonna pour in 1 cup of hot boiling water. Before we pour the boiling water, you want to kind of stir and coat for 2 minutes. Boiling water, and we want to cook this on low heating meat, and we're gonna add the other ingredients. We're gonna drop in 2 chicken bouillon powder, and we're gonna grate half of a nutmeg and also ground white pepper to taste, and sweet soy sauce to taste as well, and apple cider vinegar, about 1 tablespoon. Like so. Just want to stir it to mix and then continue cooking with lid on. Cover with lid and continue cooking, adjusting the flavor to your liking until chicken fully cooked. Enjoy with rice.